Very good morning traders. Welcome to MST School of Trading. Today September 15th 2023. So morning I am recording the video and we have given many optimization in the coding so that the code gets executed very faster. Now most of us are very afraid of trading in options, especially in buying. The problem is, even if the market is moving as per our prediction, the option price will not move. The main reason for the option premium is not moving in our expected direction is, though the spot value is moving, but option is not moving. So the main problem is because of the time decay, delta value, theta decay, and premium decay, especially in the premium value. So now what the solution is? The solution is don't ever trade in OTM money. Don't ever say that hero or zero. Hero or zero one day will become really zero. So don't do as a gambling. Gambling means you can become zero as well as you can become hero if luck comes to you. But if you are doing it as a business, it is not a hero or zero matter. You should be confident 100% that it will go to your expected level. So now yesterday I have shown you with the default settings. So now I will show you how to trade in noon market. So one by one we are planning to explain you about this market type. What is this market type? Noon market means when the market has done its forenoon session, that is after 12 o'clock. During your lunch time, after 12, after 1 o'clock, during your lunch time, if you are office going people, and suppose if you are afraid that to trade in the morning market, if you don't get any appropriate level, any exact levels, exact entry, then you can go for the noon market. Okay, nothing else. Go here, go to the settings, reset settings, and select the noon market. If you keep in noon market, automatically the levels will be formed. So again, if you want me to replay the market, I can replay. Okay. So now this is for yesterday. Market has just opened. So this is the yesterday's level, morning level, but this also you can consider for the price action pattern. Okay. So now we are going to take a fresh entry as per our noon market on September 14th 2023. Now the time is 12 o'clock 23 minutes. So now our zones are ready. We will be waiting for the order at 45,829. If it is coming and touching, we will be buying the in the money option. We will be taking 200 points below the entry point. 200 points below the entry points. What is the 200 points here? 45,800 is our entry price, but we are taking 45,600 put option, 600 call option, so that we can have a good movement. So now this will be your entry price. Don't forget 200 points ITM we are taking. 200 points ITM from the entry we are taking. So now buy got activated. So what we are supposed to do? Go to the settings and remove sell and enable only targets. First buy targets and second sell targets. If you want, you can enable the midpoint. Where is the midpoint? DBP is the midpoint. Clear? So now buy exactly activated. We have enabled the second sell also, because if market is giving the loss, we have to go for reversal entry. So after entry, what you can do? Keep your stop loss to tiny to stop loss and target also tiny to stop target. Clear? Because our ultimate aim is we should not lose more in the market, we should get more from the market. So that is our aim. So now perfectly our buy entry got activated. Also here if you notice, here there is a bullish pin bar. There is a bullish pin bar and it is showing a confirmation that market has to reverse, and previous trend is sell trend, and we have got one perfect bullish pin bar and followed by one confirmation candle. Now you can take the trade with 100% confident. and your stop loss is very small. Okay, at the entry level only you are going to keep the stop loss, and we are waiting for the target. Don't think that, suppose say you are taking the entry based on this bullish bar entry and R3C confirmation. If already market has given the first target also, don't worry, you will get 100% second target also, right? And if you are taking naked entry, whenever it is touching your buy entry you are taking, that also it will give you profit. And if you are taking based on the confirmation, that also will give you profit. So now our first target hit, second target also hit. Now we are waiting for the third target. So now again one bearish pin bar has formed here, and it has formed bearish R3C also. Now we can take one reversal entry if you are an aggressive trader. Already we are in a buy entry, market is giving very good profit, almost 3 targets hit, but market is giving a small bearish trend again. So let me speed up this. So let us see what happened. See here, after the bullish pin bar, market has reversed. So again we have got entry, again we have got R3C confirmation here and here, and we are once again second target hit. Once again second target hit, third target also perfectly hit, third target also perfectly hit. So no other indicator which is available in the market will tell you this kind of point to point reversal. See here, once we got one point to point entry, we got 2 targets hit, almost 3 targets hit. Once again we got point to point entry and we got 3 targets hit. So this level of accuracy you can never find anywhere in the market. So that's why we are telling you can trust the system and follow the system, so that you will never make more loss. Our system also will fail here because there is no holy grail in the market, but it will help you to become a professional trader, because you will not take the entry here, you will not take the entry here, wherever you want, but you will take the entry only at the zone, that too after a confirmation, we are teaching you very 2 to 3 candlestick pattern. One is bullish pin bar, another one is bearish pin bar, along with one confirmation, that we call it as R3C, bullish and bearish R3C. So wherever you are finding near our zone, you will be getting a very good profit. Don't take the entry in between, only take the entry at the appropriate level, you will be in a profit. So hope it is clear. If you have any doubts, please ask us. We will be very happy to help you. Thank you. Bye bye. All the best. And all the stocks also have given very good profit. Okay. If you want, you can watch them. Yesterday I watched many stocks. It has given very good profit. If you want, you can watch and trade. Thank you. Bye bye. If you are not subscribed to our indicator and YouTube channel, please subscribe, like and share to all your beloved ones.